Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an image in your email that you are sending to someone. So in order to do this, first let's open our Gmail application and then let's compose an email. Then select the recipient to whom you want to send this email. Then once that is done, to add any image, you need to click onto this paperclip icon at the top, which stands for the attach element. Click here and click on the insert photo option and choose the particular photo that you want to add. So for example, I want to add this QR code photo right here. So I will click here, and here you can see that the photo has been successfully added, and I can also choose to type any message. Like for example, then once that is done, simply click on to the send button and wait for the message to be sent, and here you can see that the message has been successfully sent. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.